today we're drawing a mermaid today. Oh, like this cute little one. See that? It's sleeping. So today we're going to do a pencil and then a black sketch pen. So first of all, we'll just start with a head. We're just going to draw a U shape, just like that. And then we're going to work on the eyes. A big semicircle and then close it, and then we'll draw the inside of the eye. We're gonna color it in and then add a few eyelashes here. Do the same thing on the other side. Draw it all over. And then we're gonna draw the mermaid's nose and a little smile. And then we're just gonna find out her hands and then line straight down. And then we're gonna make a line like that, a 4, go down, a line like that, and then we made a star. Do the same thing on the other side. And now we'll work on her body. Draw a neck here, and draw a little pearl necklace, and then draw a star here again. And then we're gonna draw her hand, and then do the same thing on the other side. And then we'll work on her hair. And if you want to, you can always draw a crown. I'm gonna draw a crown because she's the queen of the mermaids. Draw some little circle here. There we go. Draw the closing of her hair. And then we're gonna draw her tummy. You don't want. And then go line straight down and then all the way up. And then do the same thing here. And then we'll close it. Then we'll make a little nut here. And then another nut there. Then we're gonna draw the scales. And then we're gonna draw some lines on the tail. And now that we drew the mermaid, we're gonna draw the sand to know that she's really in the ocean. And then we're gonna draw a starfish here. Yeah. And we're gonna draw a crab. This is a tricky part. So we just draw a flat oval one, like sideways, and then draw 3 legs here and another 3 legs there. Put 2 lines up and then make it pointy like that. And then make lines like that, and then draw the insides of the eye like that. Then draw a smiley face. we're gonna draw a few shells here. And we're gonna draw, and we're gonna draw a snail. Look at that. And we're gonna draw like that. Okay, and now we're gonna draw a few other friends here. Like for example, that fish. Draw next here. And then we're gonna draw a few bubbles. Time for black. And then we're gonna trace on the scales. One can draw some cheeks. And then we're gonna start. Hi, Grandma. And then we're gonna draw and then I'm gonna close it up a little. And then we're gonna draw the bubbles. Finally, we'll color it. Oh, and one more thing. And finally, we'll color. Then we'll just blend this in together. And then we're going to stay here. this is how you draw a mermaid. See you again soon, and don't forget to like and subscribe so that I can make more videos for you to learn how to draw. Bye!